Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a promo code on HelloFresh. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to receive some sort of incentive or reward or benefit from using promo codes on HelloFresh. I've certainly used it before and it's allowed me to get really good discounts on HelloFresh. So either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around. Now the first thing that we're going to do is on the right hand side, you want to click on our name and then click on account settings. Now once you click on account settings, on the left hand side, you're going to see this redeem promo code button. Click on that. And then from here, this is where you're going to redeem your promo code. So it's very important to keep in mind that only one discount code can only be used per plan. So if you already have an active voucher already applied to your account, adding a new one will override your previous voucher. So for my example, I currently receive new desserts or free desserts every time I order from HelloFresh. And that's because that was from a promo that they were running from a couple months back. So if I were to enter a new discount code here that applies to future orders, my old promo code would actually be removed. So be sure to keep in mind to be very selective as far as which promo codes you apply to your plan. But this right here is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and redeem your promo code on HelloFresh. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.